In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the TradingView Heatmap. The heatmap is a fast, visual way to see what's moving in the market. Tiles are color-coded to show performance at a glance, so you can spot strength and weakness without digging through long lists. First, log in to TradingView, either on the web in your browser or in the desktop app. The experience is the same in both. Any standard account works here. As long as you're signed in, you'll have access to the navigation we're about to use. Once you're in, look to the very top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Hover your mouse over products. If your layout is compact, or you're in the desktop app and don't see products right away, open the main menu from the icon in the corner to reveal the same options. With the Products menu open, move your cursor to Screeners. This is the section where TradingView groups tools that organize markets by different criteria. You don't need to open a screener right now, just hover so the submenu appears. In that submenu, find the Heatmap section. You'll see choices for stocks, crypto, and forex. Click the one you want to explore. For example, choose stocks to view an equity market heatmap, crypto for digital assets, or forex for currency pairs. Pick the market that matters to you today. When you click, the heatmap opens in a new browser tab or window. If a pop-up blocker prevents it, allow the page to open. This is expected behavior on TradingView. The heatmap is a grid of tiles representing symbols in the market you selected. Green tiles indicate gains, red tiles indicate losses, and the intensity of the color reflects the magnitude of the move. Tile size often corresponds to relative importance, such as market capitalization or trading volume, making big names stand out immediately. At the top of the page, you'll notice simple controls for time frames and filters so you can customize what you're seeing without leaving the heatmap view. Hovering over a tile shows quick details, and clicking a tile takes you deeper into that symbol's information on TradingView. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Products, hover over Screeners, and under Heatmap, choose Stocks, Crypto, or Forex. The selected heatmap opens in a new tab and gives you a clean, color-coded snapshot of market performance in seconds.